Lincoln Loud 6, 7, 8 and 9, it's time to get up.
Oh goodness, I'm so tired.
Good morning, class. I'm going to pass on your tests that you took on Friday.
Yay, my first test that I got an A+ on. I'm so proud of myself.
I also got an A+ on the test, yay.
Me too. I also got an A+.
Me too, we should all have a playdate. Lincoln Loud 4 can come if he wants to.
I will love to have a playdate with you guys. I will love to have a playdate with you.
You should be proud of yourself, Lincoln Loud 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All that studying must have paid off.
Oh no, me, Lincoln Loud 8 and Lincoln Loud 9 failed the test. We are going to be grounded if Lincoln Louds 1 to 6 find out.
That's right. Lincoln Loud 7 to 9. You should be ashamed of yourself. It looks like you're not ready for 4th grade. But anyways, class, tomorrow you get your report cards. Tuesday is movie day. Bring your movies tomorrow, but only G and PG rated movies. Let's move on to history. Today's lesson is about imperialism. Yes, Lincoln Loud 8, may I help you with something?
May I please go to the bathroom?
Yes, you may, but hurry back.
I'm not going to the bathroom. Instead, I will pull the fire alarm as a prank. Ha 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 ha.
Why did you pull the fire alarm? Lincoln Loud 8, don't even try to lie to me. Why did you pull the fire alarm?
I did it as a prank. All I wanted to do is make it funny, and it's just a harmless prank.
Lincoln Loud 8, you know everyone has to take fire alarms seriously, and it's not a harmless prank.
That is it, Lincoln Loud 8, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room now, or you will be grounded for another 3 weeks.